Hey, welcome guys, and this is module 1 for all you guys that are creators that want to build courses. I'm gonna really strongly recommend to you guys CapCut Pro. I have tried lots of different editing software, especially for beginners, but what I like about CapCut Pro is you can go up. It has some advanced features, man, including AI. So I've used Pictory, InVideo, so many different, even the AI ones. And if you just want to create videos, then go to the AI ones. But if you want to create videos that for your tutorials to teach and have your online course and your online platform, your teaching platform, I would strongly recommend. You can't just do AI videos. You have to do tutorials like what I'm doing now, a tutorial. So module 1 here is talking about why CapCut. So this is why, again, I would strongly recommend CapCut is excellent for your classes, your whether you use whatever Thinkific, FreshLearn, LearnDash, whatever platform you're going to then upload your course to. I would strongly recommend using CapCut to create your videos, because I find it's like so much easier. It's good for beginner, but it can go way up to the advanced level, and again, even with AI features. So out of all the different learning software, editing software for beginners, I like myself, but again, I'm a blogger and I've done a lot of videos, but I found CapCut so much easier than all the different video editing software I have done. Take care. So this is module 1, why choose CapCut.